they just give you the wig head off the mannequin? Like, first of all, she needed her hair brushed. Alright, so it's raining, but we got to make our way to the beauty supply store. I was going to go to the liquor store, but I don't think liquor stores open until 12 o'clock. I really do not want to drink today, but just for the sake of this video, I really wanted to give me a little sip of something. But it's 10:46, and I'm not waiting until 12 o'clock, so hopefully I can find a liquor store that's already open. So I just got to this beauty supply, and they're closed. You know what? I see wigs on the outside of the door, so this looks like the location I need to be at. They just flipped it to open now, so oh, my hands dry. It sound like a campfire. I hope they got more wigs than that. Oh baby, I need the biggest wig possible. I need a size extra large wig, and they don't got much. Oh, I see something over there. This store is intimate. I was gonna go in here and record, but I feel like I'm gonna be watched. I'm going in. Wig is secured, and I'm mad because I just spent $40, y'all. I was thinking I was gonna be able to come and find a wig for like 20 buckaroonies. No. And then I didn't know they just give you the wig head off the mannequin. Like, first of all, she needed her hair brushed. I'm gonna have to put some oil on this wig. I may have to start wearing this wig seriously, because $40 for a joke, I ain't laughing that hard. Let me go to the liquor store. I'm jamming to Jamie Foxx Unpredictable. I need y'all to drop a comment down below. I saw this post that said one has to go, based on strictly vocals. The options are Trey Songz, Jamie Foxx, Chris Brown, and Usher. Put your vote down below in the comments on who has to go. Strictly vocals only. Y'all, I need to know y'all answer, because I'm gonna start judging y'all if it's wrong. My wrong is right. So this liquor store is closed as hell, so let's try another. So we got a winner. Let's go ahead on in. I don't even know what I'm drinking. I can't believe I'm doing all this in the rain. Like, this is doing too much. And why these places around here talking about they be open, don't even be open? Atlanta, stop it. It's a warehouse. Yo, they got too many options up in here. I'm definitely not going down this danger. This reminds me of college. I'm about to throw up. This whole aisle reminds me of college and before. Oh, hell to no. I'm thinking either tequila or brown. I got a grapefruit tequila. The fact that I really just went out and spent $60 on nonsense just really blows my mind, because why are things just so expensive? I'm about to eat and take some shots. I hope this don't give me a headache. I ain't never seen this before. Dolce Vita Blanco tequila infused with natural grapefruit flavors, 100% pure agave, handcrafted, 70 proof, 35% in Mexico. Real grapefruit. I really don't even feel like being drunk today, but let's get it. Just wanted to show y'all what I'm going to eat. I made this for dinner last night. It was so good, y'all. So, oh, that was hot. Some lion's mane mushroom, some creamy spinach, and some chickpeas down there. So good. So let me scrap this down real quick. All right, I scarfed that meal down. So let's get down to these shots. Let me shake her up a bit. If it's real grapefruit, maybe some cinnamon. All right. Oh. Yuck. Y'all, I hate liquor. I hate alcohol. It is just disgusting. That looks like about a shot to me. Let me give me a lime or something. Not bad. We're gonna do about 1 or 2 more of those, and then we're gonna hit the bath. Alright, number 2, bottoms up. Boom. Not bad. Take a little break, let this settle in, and we'll be back. Alright, so this is the wig cap. I got the extra largest because, you know, I got really thick locks. I'm sure I'm gonna need it. Here is our wig, okay? This is the synthetic wig, prime fiber, high quality wig. It's you, it's your beautiful hair. Lace front. Wish I got a wig, hold on. Here she is. She needs something.
So I guess I'm gonna try to like wrap my locks. Oh, maybe I should do like this first. This one. Let me move up some so y'all can see the masterpiece that's about to happen. Okay, slowly follow them down. Come on around to the side. It's okay if some flap out. They're gonna do that, okay? Don't you fret. Now, go ahead and bust out one of these. We're just gonna do a drop and twist movement. So, we're gonna drop. Hold on. We're gonna try that again. We're gonna drop. Ain't no way in the world I look like this. Okay. Just tuck. Just tuck. Okay, look. We doing a little something. Thick locks. Look at y'all. Let me go ahead and hurry up and finish up because I look like someone else. I look like Zelda. Ooh. Oh, my hair do tell a lot about me. So now seeing it gone, I'm looking questionable. This is going better than I thought. Did the damn thing. And that's it, boys and girls. I can't believe I even did that. I think it's time to celebrate with the shot. All right, now it's time to get down to business. All right, I'm gonna mess my curls up. All right, that's one way to do it. I'm gonna put a little oil on baby girl because we're gonna keep it light for my girl. Maybe I should actually spray her with some of this free root spray. Let's free them roots. Okay, let's just gently. When I was in there, I was thinking bangs, you know, I kind of was feeling the bangs, but ultimately my decision was based on the prices because most of them were $50 and I was confused why. No shade to that store, but whoa, those was a mess. All right, so I think it's time to get this puppy on. She's nice and wide. This is, wow, what happened to the bangs? Oh, I don't like this. I don't like this. Look at the top, y'all. No. Okay, all right, let me be serious. Let me fix what's going on up here. I just can't tell. Is that the cap? That's the tracks right there. They talking about fucking $50?
What?
Listen, I don't wear wigs, but I know this ain't right. This is the bang. But why is it so banged up? We're getting somewhere.
Oh, excuse me.
Okay. You can't even see my earrings, so we definitely about to change these bad boys. Oh, wait. My eyeball. Let's grab the easy answer for what I would wear if my hair was big like this. This way. Alright, let's jazz up some things here, you know, might as well. This is a special occasion. Special occasion. Okay, so, oh, I just pushed it on the back some. Like a little bang. fact of the matter is, you can wear wigs if you have locks. I'm trying to push it down some. It ain't looking that bad, man. Look at me. What y'all think? Let's put it in a ponytail. I like that. So this right here is a mess. Let's find an outfit. But I think it's a vibe. I think it's a vibe. Yeah, your girl was getting lit. I ran into some stuff, knocked it down, said, oh shit, and kept it moving. The question has been answered. Yes, you can wear wigs. That's what you desire. Big locks included. Okay. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. You can be who you want to be. I'm starting to feel myself now. I may look like Tina Marie, but I'm still starting to feel myself. This ain't my texture. Let's put it back in a ponytail. Let's go. I don't know why I'm going to the kitchen, but that's where I'm going. What are you looking at? What? I'm ready to eat. What about to eat? I think I'm gonna eat some yogurt. All right. That's enough of this nonsense. We're gonna take this off. I feel better already. I just ate some vitamins for fun. Well, I needed to take them today anyway. I wanted something sweet, so I just ate those. It was good. I got gummy vitamins. I'm about to go eat another dosage. Something else. So, bottom line is, yes. Yes. You can wear a wig if you have locks. I proved that. I'm glad I didn't get too lit because now I can proceed about my day. Like, I'm kind of feeling this look. That's better. What y'all think? What y'all think? Time to go eat some more vitamins. Listen, I haven't taken them yet today. I promise. I promise. I'm not just eating vitamins. Let me just show y'all. I gotta defend myself. This is raggedy. My B12 energy. I just took those. I haven't taken my PMS flow ones yet. I haven't taken my daily woman multivitamin yet. The point is, I'm trying to show that they're gummies mostly. My vitamin D. And those are not my gummy ones. And then I have a few others. I got my liquid chlorophyll, vegan omega-3, my slippery elm, sea moss capsules. Yeah, that's it. Put that wig on if you want to put that wig on. We all know I'm pale, so that wig had me looking crazy as hell. This is beautiful. Just want you to know you're my favorite girl. Better put that on. Oh yeah, there's something about you. Boom, 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 boom. Oh yeah.